Ever wonder how investors determine if an asset is unusually expensive or cheap? It often comes down to a simple tool called the Z-score. A Z-score tells you exactly how many standard deviations a data point sits from the average. It is all about spotting outliers. Think of 0 as the baseline. If a stock sits right at its long-term average, its Z-score is 0. Positive scores mean the asset is trading higher than usual, while negative scores show it is trading lower. Extreme values highlight market anomalies. By tracking this chart, you can quickly see when an asset moves into statistically unusual territory compared to its own history. Remember, a Z-score shows you where an asset is, but it doesn't predict where it is going next. Always look at the fundamentals. Use the Z-score to add context to your research. Subscribe for more money basics and save this video for your next portfolio review.